Hello guy, this video I will show you about best places to live in the Netherlands. The Netherlands attracts thousands of expats every year, due to its stable economy, exceptional education system and great quality healthcare facilities. This led to the country being ranked as the top place to live for expat families by the World Economic Forum, back in 2018. If you're moving to the Netherlands, then we can help. We have put together a list of our top 5 destinations, which we think are worth considering. Amsterdam. There is no better contender than the Dutch capital when it comes to the best places to live in the Netherlands. The city is home to over 180 nationalities, and we are not surprised. Here, you will be greeted by picturesque canals, many historical attractions and a plethora of green spaces. What more could you ask for? Expats are attracted to the city's international job opportunities, with numerous European headquarters and a large variety of industries calling Amsterdam home. It is also a popular place for flourishing small businesses and startup companies, which opens up even more opportunities for those searching the job market. Amsterdam offers something for everyone to enjoy. You will find a whole array of activities and things to do here, with countless museums, restaurants, theaters and concert halls. The city also hosts many unique cultural experiences, such as canal-side concerts and a number of outdoor festivals, perfect to enjoy in the summer. Rotterdam. If you are looking to move somewhere with a more laid-back approach to life, then Rotterdam could be the home for you. This creative haven is popular with a whole variety of musicians and artists who take inspiration from the city's modern architecture and vibrant clubs and bars. Rotterdam has become one of the top international cities in the world, with a huge number of multinational companies positioning their headquarters here. The job opportunities here are very appealing for expats and, resultantly, draw in people from all over the world. Whether you are thinking of moving to Rotterdam with a family or solely for business, there is a home for everyone. You will find neighborhoods which are perfect for family life, with plenty of playgrounds and peaceful, green spaces. Neighborhoods that are perfect for those looking for the high life, with luxury apartments and restaurants, and neighborhoods that are perfect for business professionals and artists who are looking for more of a cultural hub. Utrecht. Utrecht is the perfect place to move to if you are looking to relocate with all the family in tow. According to Lonely Planet, 2012, Utrecht is one of the world's top 10 unsung places and was named one of the top 5 happiest places to live by BBC Travel. If this doesn't convince you to move to the city, then we're not sure what will. Here you will find a range of highly ranked primary and secondary schools, which offer a good quality education at a very little cost. The city is also home to a world-renowned university. So as parents, you can be reassured that your child will have great educational opportunities all through their younger years. Bang in the middle of the Netherlands, Utrecht has great access to major cities such as Amsterdam and Rotterdam, as well as international cities like Cologne. This makes it ideal for those who are keen explorers and want to see more of the country they live in, and for those who regularly undertake business trips. The Hague. Are you looking to move somewhere that combines city life with the joys of the seaside? If so, then The Hague is the place for you. Located right next to the shores of the North Sea, the city stretches along the 11 kilometers stunning sands of Scheveningen Beach. Here you will find the iconic pier, busy beach clubs and plenty of other activities for everyone to enjoy. If you are a keen foodie or enjoy eating out, there are countless restaurants and bars along the coastline, where you can enjoy the most incredible sunset dinner. The Hague attracts thousands of expats due to its charming nature, mixing both modern skyline and historical buildings. You will always see the city center busy and will never run out of things to do here. With the huge array of shops and museums to explore, there is nothing to worry about when it comes to fitting into The Hague. You will find a mixture of Dutch and international citizens from over 100 different countries, so the city has become an international hub, just like Amsterdam, making it easier for expats to settle into their new home. Leiden. Leiden is the ideal location for any expat moving to the Netherlands. This city is one of the oldest and most picturesque in the country, with numerous canals and the famous Molen de Vac windmill. Not only is this a naturally beautiful city, but it is also rich in history and culture. This city is known to be a student city and is home to the oldest university in the Netherlands. You might expect the city to be quite loud and vibrant as a result of the large student population. However, Leiden may be smaller and quieter than you think, so no need to worry about the crazy student culture. There is plenty to do in this city, with a huge variety of cultural activities to get stuck into. If you are a history lover, there are 15 museums for you to enjoy, including the Naturalis Biodiversity Center and the Museum de Lenkenhal. There are also a huge array of bars, cafes and restaurants for everyone to enjoy. Thank for watching, take care and please wait the next video.